person, all caps John, who purchases property for another, real living soul John, to conceal identity or real purchaser, or to accomplish some purpose otherwise not allowed. Can mix public and private. Implied partnership. One which is not a real partnership, but which is recognized by the court as such because of the conduct of the parties. The defendant trusts in you as trustee as the defendant's surety. In effect, the parties are stopped from denying the existence of a partnership. That is a dishonor. This bond is also the implied debt that resulted when you applied for a title to a car, a mortgage, or any other loan that resulted in collateral being registered with the state. You cannot be required to pledge your substance, but you can voluntarily pledge it to help the U.S. through its bankruptcy status. Pledge, a bailment. Bailment, a delivery of goods or personal property by one person, bailor, strawman, to another, bailee, state or U.S., in trust for the execution of a special object, exemption, upon or in relation to such goods. If you do not volunteer, you may be given choices to make it easier for you to volunteer, but you must always do this voluntarily. You're not asked to give your substance, only to pledge it, while you keep possession of the substance. In return, you get the implied bond. The strawman received a social security number. The correlating private side number is the exemption identification number, same digits, just no dashes. The strawman is a creation of the debtor corporation, so it is presumed to be an officer, agent, or employee of the debtor corporation. It must file tax returns and follow all the corporate rules and regulations, public laws. The man, on the other hand, is not a creation of the debtor corporation, but is the presumed representative of the strawman. The man is also the one who has the creditor side of the debt the U.S. owes. This is the national debt, at least part of it. Part of the national debt is owed to the people who pledged their substance in return for an exemption from paying public debts. The U.S. runs on credit. It does not have its own credit. Everything is backed by the full faith and credit of the people. We have to have faith the U.S. will honor its debts, and we have to know how to use our credit. The strawman cannot use your credit on its own, but it can use it if you authorize it. Our authorization is backed by the implied contract and the resulting bond, debt, the U.S. has to the people. As long as the people are not acting like debtors and victims, they can use their credit. When the people start acting like debtors, strawmen, they dishonor their own heritage and rights.